Finally, the Attendance tab. This is where Ada clocks in and out each day. There are a few ways she can do it, and we will go through each one. At the top is today's card. Right now it says there is no attendance record yet for today. She has not clocked in. So let us clock her in. The first way is the check-in button. When she taps it, her browser asks for her location, and the system checks she is within the office area before recording her arrival. Let us tap it now. Checked in successfully. Today's card now shows her status as present, the exact time she clocked in, and the method itself, with the GPS coordinates that confirm she was at the office. At the end of her day she taps checkout, and the system stamps her leaving time and works out the hours she put in. Now the card shows both her check-in and checkout times, and the hours worked. Her attendance for the day is complete. There is a second way to clock in, a QR code. What decides the method is simply how she clocks in. Tapping check-in is recorded as self, while scanning the QR is recorded as QR. The QR code is produced by the company, so let us first sign in as the administrator to see where it comes from. From the HR menu, the administrator opens Attendance. Attendance has a QR check-in tab. The administrator opens it. Here is the rotating QR code, with a button to open it full screen. A company stamps this up on a tablet or monitor at the entrance, so let us open that dedicated full screen display. This is the entrance screen, just the company name, one large QR code, and a countdown. For security the code rotates every few minutes, so a screenshot taken earlier is simply rejected. Staff walk up and scan it. Now we switch back to Ada. On her phone she opens her portal and points her camera at that code, which takes her straight to her Attendance tab and clocks her in automatically, with no button to press. That is the scan working. Her card now shows her checked in again, and this time the method reads QR, confirming she clocked in by scanning the code at the entrance. So Ada has 3 ways to clock in: the check-in button with GPS, the QR code at the door, and, if ever needed, HR can mark her attendance manually from that same attendance screen. That completes a full tour of every part of the staff portal.